everyone, this is Cindy, Crank the Heart, and I'm back with some projects. So I had, I think I hauled some honeybee. So I bought a lot of the last honeybee release, which I really, really liked. This honeybee release, I'm like, it's a lot of floral. I don't use a lot of florals, so I tend to be a little bit picky with my floral. So anyway, I wasn't into this month, but last month's release was super, super cute. So for these cards, I'm using a Waffle Lots. So these ones are really, really good price point. And I really like the dies. What's kind of unique about Honeybee is that they actually have dies for their sentiments a lot of times. So that's pretty nice. So I also used this die set, which was kind of a tricky set. One of my cards, it's a little wonky. I think to be really, I think I would need to cut my paper to be the correct size first and then use the die because of just how it cuts. It's kind of a funky die. I was really looking for my Spellbinders dies that I have, my Nestabilities, and I actually finally found them because they were misplaced when I found them. So anyway, let me show you what I mean. So this card right here, you can see it's like kind of like a wonky. I like it, so it doesn't really bother me that much. But I think that if I measured out my cardstock beforehand and then was very mindful of where I placed it, I would get a little bit more success with this particular die, which I want to say is CC Designs. But then I just went ahead and I colored my, see this one right here actually is from another honeybee, which is this one right here. I Love You Some More. So I did use a coffee cup from that. And then I colored it with pink. Can't really see really well in this lighting. And then I used my, what do you call that? It's that glossy accent type stuff over it. So it's got this kind of shiny, glazy look. So I really like how that came out. And then I like You Waffle a lot. And you can see how you can cut your sentiments out with their dies, which I think is pretty cool. And the paper that I'm using is a coffee paper. I think I might have it with me here. Yeah, it's called Coffee by Echo Park. And so this one's a pretty one that I like to use. I'm using it with some other cards I'm going to share in a minute. And then I use the inside, when I cut this, it cut this inside piece for this card right here. And then I had this scrap that I went ahead and also ran through and was able to kind of match it up. So, and this toaster is, I don't know if I have it here, but this toaster is from Lawn Fawn. So I use the toaster from Lawn Fawn, and I use a little face that also comes with that toaster. And then I have my cute little waffle here, and it's a chocolate waffle. And then also says, I like your waffle a lot. And I guess for me, this was sort of like wallpaper and like maybe a counter, maybe. It's kind of what I was thinking when I went with this kind of colors and everything. So this is my honeybee project using the Waffle Lot stamp set from Honeybee Stamps. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crank the Heart.